When you add on eHub to WinTeam, you get workforce management with a self-service portal for employees and customers. eHub helps reduce operations costs and administrative time while boosting efficiency and productivity in the field. Distributed teams are mobile, your software should be too. eHub is a self-service solution that's on the job 24/7. eHub, a go anywhere solution, is made with distributed teams in mind. Your field-based supervisors, employees, and account managers have instant web and mobile access to the tools and information they need to manage jobs, people, and personal information effectively. eHub allows your businesses to 1. Eliminate paper, streamline processes, and increase efficiency. 2. Ensure quality and cost effectiveness in the field. 3. Communicate with the right people at the right time. And 4. Access the latest information with seamless WinTeam and TeamTime integration. eHub is ready where and when you need it. Give field-based managers access to the tools they need to do their jobs. eHub seamlessly connects the field to the back office, so you always have access to the latest information. Manage budgets, schedules and timekeeping, create and complete work tickets, and send messages and requests. Plus, fill open shifts, capture billable work, and complete and sign off on inspections all through a secure web or mobile app. A self-service portal is an easy way to boost employee engagement and productivity while reducing paper and lost information. Give cleaners the tools they need when and where they need them. Employees can view pay stubs, schedules, benefits, job information, messages and tax information, accept open shift offers, and clock in and out on site, all with employee self-service features in eHub. A small increase in customer retention can reflect a huge boost to your bottom line. eHub's customer self-service portal connects you with your customers, reducing response time and improving accountability. Customers can access invoices, work schedules, messages, rosters, and time and attendance information on their own. eHub lets them easily request additional work or coverage, complete inspections, and view results.